Day number 2. I didn't realize I had one less than a mile from my house. Kings of Seafood. I'm gonna give these guys a shout out because this looks banging. So I'm gonna f this up real quick and then I'm gonna meet up with my homie Brad, who's visiting from Colorado. I think we're gonna go play some arcade. And Dan's gonna chill today. I can't believe I found a broil place so close. So I'm gonna mac through this and then we're gonna go play some video games and chill. Yeah. Can I headshot him? Fuck! Die, motherfucker! Oh, what the fuck? This gun is so off. I just shot that dude in the head and I wasn't even aiming at him. Wow. Huh? You're the one that gets hit. What the fuck? Oh, I got excited. Fuck. What the fuck? It's not reading my reloads very well. Kill shot. I'm a gangster. Wow, squeaky. What up? Alright, so I just got done with my boy Brad. Played some video games, walked around, ate some food, had some fun. My man just bought me a fucking tactical taser. This thing's crazy. This thing is crazy. This is the most gnarly flashlight I've ever seen. I'm almost 100% positive this is illegal as fuck. But, damn, this thing is crazy. I don't even know if it's on. How do I know if it's on? On, off. Is that right? Oh, it has to be on, okay. Oh, shit. Fuck. This thing is so loud and crazy. This thing's crazy. This will kill you. There's guaranteed this thing will kill you. And now while it's off, you can push the button, nothing happens. This is scary. It also has a fucking sharp blade knives on the tip. And I believe it is a high bright LED on lithium pack, so it's a stinger as well. This thing's crazy. So shout outs to my boy Brad for getting me this fucking gnarly, rechargeable, crazy ass flashlight. Ooh. For those of you who missed it, we decided to call this bike Dr. Evil. Oh yeah. Boom. Okay. So now the decals are on there. There we go. Dr. Evil's ready for this road trip. Just greased it, brought the tire down, had it balanced. We are good to go. She sounds happy. Oh, yes. Oh, she's shiny. Oh, she ready. All right, let's go finish setting up my helmet now. There we go. All the onboard micro Bluetooth that they come up with for these helmets that go inside of them and attach. I hate all of them. I'm not a fan. I prefer earbuds that actually go into your ears, but I also didn't want a wired system that would go to my phone either. So my old helmet had this exact pair in it, and I went ahead and ordered them again, these Sony Bluetooth high bass WI C310 Bluetooth. These are fantastic, and they get like 12 hours of of time. So as you can see, I do locking Velcro on there, wrap the wire on the back, and of course, same thing on this side, locking Velcro, and then there's my power on off answer buttons and charge port on the top. And so when I pick it up, I just put the earbuds in my ear, and then I just slap the helmet on. The wire traces along the back. So it's very low profile and easy to use. It doesn't, it's simple to charge, just plug your phone in. Doesn't interfere with anything else you have going on with the helmet. If you have a microphone inside there, like I do, the microphone port, this is all wired in, that's screwed into the helmet and attached. So it's one of my favorite ways to connect stuff. If you guys don't ever use that locking Velcro, this stuff's amazing. When you want to hold something tight and keep it there for good, this is what you use. So next up, I got to finish mounting the microphone. First I have to put the wind muff on it, and then I'm going to finish mounting it inside here, and this whole setup should be good to go. I need to be able to hear my directions while I'm riding on the bike, so I had to have all this set up. So there you go, GoPro Mount, media mod, Bluetooth wrapped, currently charging, microphone up there in the corner, mounted with a little bit of hot glue so it doesn't move anymore. Wind muff is now on there. That is all mounted back underneath here. And then of course my other Bluetooth piece. So when I'm not using them, they actually hang low enough that they don't affect my face at all. They hang down, so I can choose to wear them or not. Obviously if I'm wearing them, they're going to be out and then wrapped underneath and in. And when I'm not, they can go right on the inside and they don't affect anything. There's enough lead that they hang down below the chin strap. So pretty easy. This is the power bank that goes on the bike. This is going to be getting a charge here because this is low. I'm going to be charging that up before the trip. That's getting charged up now because I probably won't use that again until the trip. And so everything's getting a charge. All the GoPro batteries are starting to get piled in. Hero 5's now been up here. I gotta go grab my Hero 7. I gotta finish getting some stuff ready with the FPV equipment, but helmets I think 100% ready to go. You can see, starting to pack my bag of goodies here. Most of my electronics will go in there. Autel Evo's already charged up. Extra 5-inch props for charging those lithium ion batteries. Then of course my quick fix, everything I need for a quick fix on a quad, including soldering stuff and extra straps, a lighter, some shrink wrap, prop tool. As you can see, some solder down in there coiled up. Everything I need there. And so we can fix on the fly if we have to, as long as nothing major breaks. So I brought enough props to bang up a few, and should be good to go there. I'm gonna go unplug my other charger for my hobby grade stuff and throw that in my backpack. And then all I have to do is wipe all my SD cards and get them ready for the GoPros, and after that it's just finish packing my clothes, drop it off with my friend Clinton, jump on the bike, haul ass to you guys in South Florida. So I'm looking forward to seeing all you guys at the meet. Should be a lot of fun.